today I'm here to talk about basic skincare routine. So I'm going to be talking about the basics on how you can start your own routine. Alright, so the first step is to cleanse your skin. Cleansing your skin is going to help remove dirt, impurities, and makeup on your skin, and that is why it's very, very important. You need to have clean skin in order to have other products work on your skin. So it doesn't matter how expensive or amazing product you put on top of your skin. If your skin is not clean, none of those products are going to work out. If you have dry skin, I recommend the cleanser that's gentle and nourishing and something that's not gonna strip down your natural oil. Because you have dry skin, you don't want to strip those natural oils because those natural oils is what's gonna help hydrate and moisturize your skin. So you want to look for a cleanser that's gonna maintain the moisture and keep your skin supple. One of the cleansers I really enjoyed using when I had dry skin was the Flaky Pure Skin Cleanser. I did use this a long time ago, but I just remember really maintaining the moisture in my skin. Brand Flaky is catered towards more dry skin. So I really enjoyed using that cleanser. If you have oily skin, you want to use a cleanser that contains ingredient like salicylic acid, something to help control oil and prevent breakouts. There's a really good cleanser by Cosrx that has salicylic acid. I also know some people who have oily, acne-prone skin where salicylic acid didn't really work well with them. Especially my husband, he has oily, acne-prone skin, and I would recommend him cleansers with salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide. Like, I would recommend him acne cleansers, and that didn't really work with him. Then I started recommending him oil-free hydrating cleansers, and that really helped with his skin. He actually preferred that over acne cleansers. So for example, like La Roche-Posay, am I saying that right? Yeah, La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Face Cleansers. Especially if you have acne-prone skin. Your skin is pretty sensitive and it can easily react to certain products. So if, you know, like, again, if salicylic acid is making your skin be more reactive, try more of a gentle hydrating cleansers because you do want your skin to always be hydrated. So if acne products don't work with you, try to go for more of a gentle, sensitive skin products. And if you have combination skin, honestly, you could use any cleanser that's gentle, that's not gonna, you know, break down your skin barrier, something that is going to soothe your skin, maintain its moisture. A really popular one is by kbeauty. It's the kbeauty Matcha Cleanser. That's a favorite among the skincare community. So yeah, you want to look for something that's gentle, hydrating, and moisturizing. So next step to your skincare routine would be toner or essence. Now, personally, I like to use essence because the whole point of a toner is to balance your pH level and prep your skin for the rest of your skincare routine. However, I find that a lot of cleanser nowadays is able to maintain the pH balance in your skin. So I don't find that toner is necessary. But in replace of that, I like to use an essence. And what essence does is it preps your skin for the rest of your skincare routine like a toner, but instead of balancing your pH level, it helps to nourish your skin. So if you have dry skin, again, you want to look for anything that's soothing, hydrating, moisturizing, something that's calming, especially if you have like redness on your cheek from the dryness. You want something that's going to help soothe that. And one product that really did all of that is the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. This product is actually a hybrid between a toner and an essence. It deeply moisturizes, soothes dry, sensitive skin, and I really love this product. It's perfect for all season. In the wintertime, it really helps to moisturize my skin, and in the summertime, it's moisturizing enough where sometimes I didn't feel the need to apply a moisturizer, especially if you live in Asia or anywhere that's hot and humid. Moisturizers can be a little too heavy, no matter like how light they claim. Sometimes it could be a little too heavy, especially those days when it's just hot, humid weather. I would just apply the Laneige Skin cream refiner and my skin will be okay. The product is that moisturizing that I could just apply the product as is with no moisturizer. That is why I love this product. If you have dry skin, highly recommended. Now, if you have oily skin, you want to use something that's very lightweight, oil-free, and hydrating. So one ingredient that I really love for oily skin is snail. I think Cosrx Snail Advanced Essence. That product is amazing. Again, it's a favorite among the skincare community. It's lightweight. It absorbs quickly into the skin. It's hydrating. It's oil-free. It's anti-aging. Like, snail is such an amazing ingredient. So if you have oily skin, I highly recommend looking for products with snail mucus in the ingredients. So third step to your routine is treatment. So this includes like serum and ampule or any type of skincare treatment. You want to use this treatment for your specific skincare concerns, not necessarily your skin type. Like, you look at your skin and what is wrong with it? What are you trying to fix? So if you're dealing with acne and breakouts, you want to look for treatments that's going to help prevent breakouts, prevent acne. So maybe you want to look for products with ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. And those two ingredients work together to unclog your pores, prevent future breakouts, and reduce inflammation. If you're concerned about fine lines and wrinkles, you want to look for products like vitamin C, retinol, collagen, and any other antioxidant products which can help brighten your skin, firm your skin, hydrate your skin to prevent future wrinkles and fine lines. Now, if you're struggling with dryness, you want to look for an ingredient such as hyaluronic acid, something that's going to help hydrate your skin. Hyaluronic acid is a very popular ingredient and it's in a lot of skincare ingredients, so you won't really have trouble finding a product with hyaluronic acid. What hyaluronic acid does is it attracts and retains moisture from the air, and that's how it keeps your skin hydrated and plump. And using product with hyaluronic acid can help to soothe dry, flaky skin and improve overall hydration level, which leads to smoother and healthier skin. Now, if you have multiple skincare concerns, you can definitely layer on your treatment, and that's why I really love using serums, ampoules, any type of treatment. Is because not everybody only has like one skincare concern. We have multiple skincare concerns, and because of that, it's okay to layer on multiple treatments. I personally like to stick to 1 to 3. I don't like to apply anything more than 3, then I think it's a little too much for your skin. But, you know, play around with it and see what works for your skin. All right, we're on step 4, which is to moisturize your skin. So moisturizer is an essential step in your skin because it helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to protect your skin from environmental stressor and any other external factors. So moisturizer is kind of like the seal of everything. It seals your skin. Even if you don't apply any type of treatment, you do not want to skip moisturizers. And even if you use a really good serum, essence, or ampoule, if you don't apply a moisturizer, nothing's gonna seal those products in. So that is why it's important to apply a moisturizer. So for dry skin, again, you want to look for products like hyaluronic acid or even ceramide. These ingredients help to restore your skin's natural moisture barrier and prevent water loss, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. So for oily skin, you want to look for an oil-free, lightweight moisturizers, maybe ingredients containing niacinamide and salicylic acids. These ingredients can help regulate your oil productions and reduce the appearance of pores without adding excess oil to your skin. For mature skin, you want to look for moisturizers with ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, and peptides. These ingredients help to stimulate collagen production. It improves skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For sensitive skin, you want to look for a moisturizer that's gentle and non-irritating. Maybe look for ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and even oat. All these ingredients can help soothe, calm, and nourish your skin. So for step 6, there's actually 2 different options that you could pick. For nighttime, you would apply a nice face oil. And for daytime, you would apply a really good sunscreen. So face oil is not necessary, but it is a great addition to add into your skincare routine. It gives an extra hydration. It gives an extra nourishment. It could improve your skin texture. Especially for anyone with dry skin, face oil is going to be your best friend. You want to look for ingredients like jojoba oil, argan oil, rosehip oil. Those oils is really just going to deeply moisturize your skin. Now, for those who don't like oils and think that oils are so heavy and they just sit on your skin, or even those who think, oh, I have oily skin, I don't want to put oil on my skin, there are really lightweight oils. It is labeled as oil serum or oil essence. I have tried 2 oil essence or oil serum. One by Neogen, which is called White Truffle Oil in Serum. And I tried the Huxley Oil Essence. They're both amazing. They're both lightweight. They're both very hydrating, moisturizing, especially during the warmer seasons. Not like hot seasons, like warmer season, like spring and fall. I was still able to apply it and my skin didn't feel heavy at all. The only thing that I do want to mention is that Huxley is heavily scented. They create their own fragrance and some people do find it a bit too strong for them. I'm personally okay with it. I personally love their signature scent. But if you're sensitive to fragrance, to scents, I wouldn't recommend the Huxley one. I really enjoyed the Huxley one. I think I've noticed a greater difference in my skin with the Huxley one compared to the Neogen. Neogen is great, but if I had to pick between the two, I would probably pick the Huxley. For mature skin, again, you want to look for ingredients that contain vitamin C and retinol and collagen. And if you have sensitive skin, you want to look for ingredients like chamomile and lavender. It's really going to help soothe any inflammation or irritation you have on your skin. Now for the daytime, you really want to apply a sunscreen. This is a step that you do not want to skip. It is very, 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 very important. You want to use a daily sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Higher the SPF, the better. But you always want to apply sunscreen. Just make it a habit. I know a lot of people struggle to find a really good sunscreen because some sunscreens are either too oily, too heavy, it gives off white cast. I found a couple of sunscreens that I really enjoyed using. So some of my favorites are by Round Lab. It's the Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen. That one is very, very lightweight. I also love sunscreen from AHC. They have different forms and variety of sunscreens you could pick from. But their sunscreens are pretty lightweight. However, I've only really tried Korean sunscreen. I've tried Supergoop and I really like that as well. However, if you have a recommendation for any Western sunscreen, comment below and I'll try them out. Because I'm starting to branch out more into Western makeup and Western skincare. So comment below your favorite sunscreen. Alright, so that is it. That's how you start a basic skincare routine. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.